5 proofs that the Supreme Court justices are superheroes. Democracies are based on checks and balances between the legislature, executive, and judiciary. But in Israel, Supreme Court justices have taken unprecedented power that judges in lesser democracies like Switzerland, the UK, and the US can only dream of. Here are the 5 proofs. In almost all other democracies, judges in constitutional courts are chosen by elected officials, thus representing diverse views. In Israel, due to their dominant position in the Judicial Selection Committee, the judges have a veto on every appointment to the Supreme Court. Courts in other countries can strike down laws only if they violate a constitution adopted by the people's representatives. But Israel has no constitution. Instead, the Supreme Court simply decided that a law approved by only 32 MKs in the 1990s had constitutional status. Since then, the courts have been striking down laws at an accelerating pace. Examples? Laws regarding infiltrators, a biannual budget, BDS, taxes on third apartments, drafting yeshiva students, and on and on. In other countries, judges can only rule on strictly legal issues, and some issues are simply not justiciable. But in Israel, judges are unusually intelligent, and they decided they can rule on anything they want, including open fire instructions, women's basketball broadcasts, military haircuts, question 89 in the bar exam, subsidizing private monkey farms. What day is Lag BaOmer? Did a candidate for the IDF chief rabbi apologize sufficiently? And, well, you get the idea. In addition, the justices decided that anyone has standing to petition the court, even someone not affected by the government's action they're challenging, so the court can rule on any subject under the sun. In other countries, judges rule on the basis of laws. In Israel, the judges rely on vague notions like the principles of democracy, reasonableness, and enlightened opinion, meaning the opinions of, well, you understood. And then there were the magic words purposeful interpretation, which turn the legislators' intentions upside down. For example, the Interior Minister's legal authority to revoke the residency rights of terrorists, according to his judgment, was read slightly differently. In other countries, judges grant petitions against a state only after hearing the state's arguments. In Israel, the court decided that the state's position isn't entitled to be heard at all if legal advisors don't like it. In fact, the state is bound by the advice of legal advisors who can nix unenlightened laws before they're born. There are even those who say that judges can strike down the law of gravity. On the other hand, there are those who say that maybe it's time to restore the balance between the branches and to return sovereignty to the people.